Thank you, Alice. What are you going to talk about? I'm going to talk about Star Ferries. Star Ferry was the first cross-harbor ferry running between Hong Kong Island and Kowloon. In 1888, the ferry was very slow then. The trip took 40 to 60 minutes. Now, it only takes about 10 minutes. The Star Ferry's crossing at Victoria Harbour plays an important part in the transportation systems between Hong Kong Island and Kowloon. Although there are 3 tunnels crossing Victoria Harbour in Hong Kong today, many people still cross the harbour by ferry. The fares are low, so many local people like traveling by it. Besides, they are essential journeys for visitors. The National Geographic Traveler named the ferry crossing as one of the 50 places of a lifetime. The ferry ride is well known as one of the world's best value for money sightseeing trips. Thank you.